Hello everyone, this is Sans. In this video, I will be going over the reasons due to which the Bitcoin mining stocks are going down. There is a lot of concern in the market about whether the Bitcoin bull run is over. In this video, I will be providing my take on what we can do from here. As always, I'm not a financial advisor and please do your own research. I want to talk to you guys about how institutions are manipulating the retail investors. Considering what's happening in the current environment, we cannot simply look at the halving tracker and think that what has happened in the last cycle will again happen in the current cycle. The bigger players are involved in the Bitcoin space now, and they want to eat retail investors for lunch or dinner. They can see Twitter, YouTube, and other social media and see that people are talking about the halving tracker, the stock to flow model, or the 21-week EMA. They are saying that if retail investors feel that things will play out in the same manner as in the past, then they can wreck them and push the Bitcoin prices below these levels. This will shake out a lot of retail investors. There are certain leverage traders and institutions who want to push the price of BTC down in the short term. They are doing this so that retail traders sell their Bitcoin so that they can buy at a lower price. Retail investors may have just one Bitcoin, but if there are 1,000 or 2,000 retail investors who sell one BTC each, then this allows the institutions to get 1,000 or 2,000 BTC from the retail crowd. As we all know, the institutions can also buy information from Robinhood and other services, which allows them to gain an advantage against retail investors. A lot of new retail investors don't understand the halving and how the market cycle works. Now, with all this fear in the crypto markets, they just want to sell and get out. We need to focus on the long term and be patient. The institutional investors such as MicroStrategy have this long-term focus that certain retail investors may lack. Guys, about 20 or 30 years ago, when there was no YouTube or other social media, if in those days the institutions manipulated retail, then that was understandable. But in this day and age, with all the information available for free on social media, the retail investors should not be manipulated by the institutions. Please be calm during this phase and do not sell your Bitcoin to the institutions. Now let's have a look at the BTC chart. Right now, we are around 45,400 and we had a wick down to about 42,160, and this is very close to the horizontal support of 41,700, which is the January high for BTC. I don't want to scare anybody, but there is a possibility that BTC may have a wick down to the next support level of around 38,000. If we do come down to around 38,000 over here, then from the all-time high of about 64,000, this would be a correction of around 40%. And BTC corrections in the 30 to 40% range are expected during the Bitcoin bull run. We have broken through quite a few levels of support over here, and there is downward pressure on BTC. We need to see the daily close for this candle for Monday, May 17. There is still quite some time left for the daily close, so let's wait and watch. Eventually, Bitcoin will find a bottom and then get back to the longer term uptrend. Now that bottom could be 38,000 or 41,000. We got to wait and watch. If we have a look at this pullback and this pullback, then in both of them, BTC went down over the weekend. And then on Monday, there was a big green candle on March 1 and over here on April 26. Again, BTC has gone down over the weekend. So this makes the price action for Monday very interesting. On the downside, I feel there is stronger support at 38,000 in comparison to 41,700. And I feel worst case scenario 38,000 will be the bottom of this correction. Some of the institutions have to hold during this correction. MicroStrategy just bought BTC at 55,000, so they can't sell now at around 44,700. MicroStrategy has 91,000 Bitcoin. Grayscale is also hodling Bitcoin. In the next few weeks, there may be news that other institutions have also bought BTC, as the price is very low right now at around 44,700. There is a lot of fear in the crypto markets right now. The banks are driving the narrative behind Bitcoin being bad for the environment because it's bad for the bottom line of the banks. We also have Elon Musk's tweet. The energy consumption issue is also getting blown out of proportion. And then there is also the possibility of Tesla selling Bitcoin. All these issues are occurring simultaneously and have together caused the Bitcoin correction. In the short term, stocks such as Mara, Riot, Argo, and Hive will have a lot of volatility. But after the Bitcoin correction is over and the uptrend resumes, the shares of the Bitcoin mining stocks will be going higher. Guys, just wanted to ask something. It does take a lot of time and effort to make these videos, so if you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Happy trading, and I will see you in the next video.